Happy New Year daw.
Hi guys! So today ang New Year and
Sige muna ka naman.
for today. Andyan sila. Bye guys! We're back in Secret Beach. We're gonna spend our day here. Mag-games daw kami and then later on balik kami sa accommodation para sa New Year and I think pupunta kami sa club to approach the New Year. Back here after 2 years.
Nandito pa yung video ni Dana na sabi niya na disgrasya ka naman, yugan ka ba?
Disgrasya ka na, naniyog ka pa.
Ano pinakamalang na tao lang yung ngayon.
12, 15, na 1 to 5. Bye, 3 groups lang.
Ay, wag ka na matalis. 2, 3.
3.
Okay, online.
O, lahat na one dito.
So, ang game natin, yung color din na pili nyo, ilipat.
I can be your third dog, just a symptom of forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on television now.
One color at a time.
One color per person.
Corner now, technicolors are better.
You're
Won't you
red,
hear me out?
you are blue, and you are purple.
My features
Nasaan may basta yan?
Ilipat dito.
put me on the shelf. No,
Madulas.
don't believe don't believe in that conversation.
Parang biyatin na ilang colors ka, hindi pala event.
Watch me
Sige, yung manalo ay 1,000 pesos ha, sa group. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I don't believe in that. Pieces inside, pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in
Okay. Sige, sige, ilipahit naman lahat. Ito na din. Hands, hold your hands sa'yo. Okay, increasing ka number 1 pataas. Yung sabay naman number na magupo, tanggal sila. Klaro yun na, tanggal. Nagyong ba?
dream about.
Bro, di ba ganyan?
Ganun ba, diba? Wait, yung sabay na upo at yung last person na hindi makasalita. Okay, try natin.
Trial.
Trial. 1, 2, 3.
My perception cut off the strings and put me back.
Tagal kayo dalawa. Ay, dalawang yan.
Okay, klaro yun na.
Listen to the crickets on the show.
Patmani, sige. So, sino yung second to the last? Yung last na uupo. Ang patmani, 1,000.
Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations beside
Go!
the strings and watch me go.
Remember ha? Hidung last. Out. 1, 2, 3. Go! 1, 2. Ano?
Kasi magpakiram na kayo sila.
Sino? Mga corporate. Ay, hindi. Tawa-tawa sa sila dalawa.
So, nag-stop na our games kasi hindi kami makastay long here kasi bawal ang food. Kaya lunch na lang kami mag-paddleboarding. Paddleboarding kami today. Ngayon, right now. And nag-change ako fit kasi baka mahulog ako sa paddleboard. So, ready for
Sige na,
wet.
ganda, sexy.
Yung tatay ko kanina pa sige pa.
Watch your pearls came in the quarter side. Leaned back and let the cloud see.
Huwag kayo sa malayo, ito sa mababa na lang. Sige, isa ko sa mababa naman. Hindi ko mo tanggalin mo. Isa ko sa parang
Hi! Ganyan talaga.
Pixie dreamed her right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing running up at the wrong time.
Hi guys! So I'm paddling ngayon and it's kind of a struggle mag-paddle while filming. So ito lang ang clip na bigay ko sa inyo guys as memory of this paddling because it's so hot. Yeah, this is my view.
Ride out on time, she'd still be sitting by my.
Hi guys! So, turning to paddling. Naiwan na nila ako. And I decided to paddle na lang na nakaupo because this is faster. Yes, paddle na mabilis.
Said I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like
Almost there.
every dance, but I doubt you.
Thank you sa baba. Bye-bye. So, we just got back from paddle boarding. It was fun. So they're gonna bite taho. How was the paddle boarding?
It's fun, but it's so hot.
Oh, nagtan ako. Diba? Eh, you feel it so much, see? It's different color na. How about you guys?
Yeah, medyo.
Ikaw, be?
Pinipiti lang.
Sumukoy.
Para magka-elegance kumain ng para kumain ng sabaw.
Hi! Hi! Buko juice. Hi.
Thirsty?
Maki-share ako.
Hindi ko alam kung meron pa. Wow naman. Ayun na.
Mas na water?
Wala.
Pagkain ka na, talaga mo naman kasama mo.
Hi guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa Andox and kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Gusto ng dad ko, mag-cloud9 kami but kami lahat nag-no kasi it's so hot. Grabe na namin kasunog galing pa namin sa paddleboarding. So, diretso kami sa accommodation. So, dito kami sa may cafe banda. And I think close siya. The Dilemma.
Nagalingan ka, magsakay ka naman. Bakit po mayari sa'yo? Ano ang iPad mo?
Mag-video pa sa dapat kami. So, plano dapat namin, mag-cafe lang dyan. Here, dyan. Which is right beside our accommodation. But, ayun na nga. So, kasama namin to. Kasama din namin yung mga nakamotor. Una na lang sila kasi nandun pa si Tita.
Nakikita mo na. Pusap-pusap ang teka nila.
Anyways, kasama na namin sila. Sabay-sabay na lang kayo magpunta sa Kapangan. Kasi close yung cafe. Pero inaantay pa namin si Tita kasi hindi siya na-inform. At wala pa siya nakabili. Siya muna ang kasidada. Hi guys! So we're at Tangnan. Dito na kami nagdiretso. Kasi, lang, sunset viewing. And you can see yung moon and sun.
May time pa ba?
Moon and then sun.
Life feels good, life feels great.
So, nagsawa na sila sa Andox kaya naghanap kami ng Indian food kaya gusto nila ng biryani. Pinagdugtong-dugtong namin yung tables kasi hindi kami magkasya and I think kulang pa rin yata. But dito kami mag-dinner for tonight.
Butter.
Yung biryani for tonight.
Yogurt.
Ang pagkakaiba dito sa kaya?
Butter
May
and
cheese
cheese.
yan? May cheese isa?
Tikman mo mga panilawin ko yan.
I just want to try it.
Pancake mo na sinanda ka?
Uwa yun.
Ano to?
Malapanan.
Ano nga?
Is this cheese?
Cheese and butter. Kasi magkain tayo doon, no? Guys, ito. Kung natatakot tayo, parang high blood ito. Sugar masyado yan. Magkain-kain ka ng mga saging, parang dahil ka mabusog.
Hindi siya takaw mata.
Maganda rin yung consistency kasi masarap ito talaga yung rice. Magaling mo lang yun. For us, SBC.
It still feels right, and it's all a lie. You were so cold, the breeze feels nice, and I'm up all night.
So, I don't know if you can hear me. I'm with the family dito sa SBC. And dito kami mag-abang ng New Year. But maglabas kami muna because boring pa sa loob.
Night, room's too bright, turn off the lights. Talk to me now.
Lumabas muna kami sa SBC kasi boring pa sa loob. And kasama namin sila Dada and Tita. Walking kami pahalika, ice cream shop. Pero hindi ko lang kung pwede siya ma-walk.
Hate to see you cry.
My God,
That's why I hate to see you.
I might play. Na-sidetrack kami dito and I bought one souvenir. Libre niya, kahit meron akong budget. Nilakad namin siya, but close. Ayun o, Alika! So, no ice cream for us. Mag-ride na kami pabalik. Because it's close.
And that's why I hate to see you.
I forget what later. So, pumunta na lang kami dito sa may mga souvenir shop kasi sarado yung ice cream shop. But ako, wala naman akong nilibay kasi napabili ko na lahat na gusto ko. Ba't sila naghahanap pa?
You were by my side, and that's why I hate to see you cry. I just
Teka.
Ganito na talaga kung matapang.
want you back in my life, in my life, in my life. You were by my side, and that's why I hate to see you cry. I just want you back in my life.
Nag-stay lang kami dito waiting for New Year fireworks. Hopefully, kumanta yung show. Got back sa hotel and it's already 2026. Happy New Year. Good night. Good morning.